As a math teacher, one of the constant challenges I face is the fact that I know that it's going to end badly for a lot of my students. And what do I mean by ending badly? I mean that they graduate from high school and they really remember maybe only one or two things from the whole experience. Number one, I hate math. Number two, I'm not particularly good at math. Well, that's a shame, to spend years of your life learning math and those are the only two things that you remember for a lifetime. The study of patterns. Mr. Sam Dodge.
What is mathematics?
Yes. I've taught you nothing else this year, at least I taught you what math is. I try to make sure that all of my students at least know what math is. Math is not computation, although computation is part of math. Math is not even problem solving, although people who can solve problems well tend to be employable, and mathematicians can solve problems, and so they tend to be very employable people. But math is actually something different. It's not computation, it's not number crunching, it's not any of those things. What it is the science of abstraction, or to put it in an easier way, the study of patterns. So I make sure that at least my students know that that's what math is, so that when they graduate, if they want to decide that they hate math, well, that's their choice, but I want them to at least know what it is that they're hating, if that makes any sense. You can't hate something if you don't even know what it is. At least that's the way I think. So, math is the study of patterns, and all human beings are wired to study patterns all the time. It's what we do naturally. So, it's intrinsically rewarding, and it's intrinsically fun. If it's presented the right way as a study of patterns, I think everybody can find something meaningful or memorable out of a study of math in high school. So that's my basic philosophy of math ed, and I've tried to implement it as well as I could. I succeed some of the time and fail some of the time, but at least my students know what math is.